Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. We've got some fun stuff for you this morning. We're gonna start out right up front here with our Easter stuff. We've got some really cute Easter lines that we've talked about the past couple weeks, but we've got some fun little notions and stuff to show you today. So first off, we've got this really cute little Easter basket. We used the Auntie's 2 pattern biscuit basket to make this one, and we used this fun Easter fabric. In addition, we've also created some pillowcase kits. So we used this adorable line, these cute little bunnies. We've got a few different varieties, so we kind of did one that has some more boyish colors if you want to do kind of like a boy or a girl. Be a great little thing to put in your little Easter basket or to make up and then put in the basket, whatever you like. Maybe an older kid would like to make it themselves. That'd be kind of a fun little gift. Otherwise, you could always whip it out pretty quickly. So, and then we're gonna move right over to the front counter. We've got some fun lines to show you over here. This first one right here is Be Happy by Andover. It's got some really adorable bee prints as well as some sunflowers and this fun little sort of damask style print here as well. So some great blenders that kind of go along with this one. Very springy. It'd be really cute to do lots of different projects out of. A cute little table runner would be adorable with this line. And then coming right up front over here, this is a super fun line. This is Sun, Moon, and Stars. This one is from In the Beginning. It's got some really cute sun and moon prints, as well as this really cool border print. It's got just this really amazing scene here, sort of mapped out, so you can either do a quilt, border it. It's also got some really fun prints mixed in here as well if you want to do, a little bit smaller of a project. It's got some really cute other ones that you could blend with other fabrics as well. And we do have some pre-cuts. We've got some fat quarters for this line, so make a cute little project with one of those. Okay, and then we're gonna work over here. And we've got lots of our florals around this island here. And we've got this gorgeous new line here by Clothworks. This one is called Delilah. It's got some beautiful florals, some fun little deco prints in there, even some like really cool line work. It's a little more subtle, but it's got some really cool, almost like geometric elements in there as well. And we also have the pre-cuts. So we're gonna loop around here to this table right over here. We've got some fun new kits for you. So this first one here is the Azagale quilt. It's a fun kind of little, I would say small throw size. It would be perfect for a little one. That's why we kind of have it in these really soft pastel colors. It's really awesome because it uses fat quarters. So all you need are the fat quarters, and then we have your background and your binding. And it uses this awesome postcard pattern. So that's in the bundle as well. Super easy, goes together really quickly, and is just a gorgeous little quilt. We did a fun cuddle on the back. The quilting looks gorgeous on it. So there's this little quilt kit that's gonna be perfect for any little projects you have coming up. Maybe you have a baby shower. And then next we have our new bag of the month. This one is the Sandhill satchel. So it's kind of like a backpack, kind of over the shoulder bag. It's got a zipper pocket here and a little stretchy pocket inside to add any little extra things that you don't want to fall out, as well as the little zipper on the front as well. We use this really pretty shot cotton woven for part of the strap, and then this beautiful linen canvas for the outside of the bag. Has that cool sort of wood block stamped look to it. So we have these kits just right here. You can find those up at the front counter. We'll have a sign saying bag of the month right up there. So that one's really exciting. I think I might get one of those myself. And then right over here, we have restocked our Cuddle again. So we've got lots of different colors. You know, we've got ranging from white, pink, we've got blues, greens, yellows. We just got in this luxe Cuddle too that's super soft and fuzzy. I'll show you kind of the texture there. Really soft. That one is super fun to back a quilt with, especially any winter quilts that you have, because you cuddle up in them and they're heavy and warm and just perfect. Some other little fun Cuddle prints, and then we also have these right here. These are all of our 90 wide Cuddle backing. So this is super nice because we've been getting more and more people asking for Cuddle in the back, and most quilts you need that 90 wide in order to be able to quilt it. So those are really great for that. Okay, and we'll come around this way. We're gonna pass kind of the wovens here. We're gonna pass kids, but we will loop back around to kids in a minute because we do have a new kids line. But first we wanted to show you a line down here in Flower Pot. This is Butterfly Bliss. It has all of these gorgeous sort of lavender, light blues, kind of into more of these deeper blues here. It's got a really fun border print, as well as this really awesome ombre. So it starts light and it goes all the way up to this sort of darker, and it goes all the way down into this deep navy. It does come with a free pattern. So you can see they used the ombre as almost like a panel in the center there, and then they did the piecing all around with the rest of the fabric. So that's a really cool idea, a really neat way to use that ombre print. So if you're interested in that fabric line, that pattern is a great option. So you can just ask us at the front counter for the free pattern. Okay, looping back around to that kids line I was talking about. This one is absolutely adorable. This one is Into the Woods, and there's quite a bit of it, so you do have options when you come to, choose which ones you like. It has these fun little woodland critters on here, some sort of foliage as well, and I'm absolutely in love with these little bunnies. They're pretty adorable, and if you're coming up to Easter and you kind of want to do like a fun little project for kids, this print would actually work really well for that. This one also has a free pattern, and this one is really cool because it has two different options. You can either use the sort of prints that come in the line that are kind of non-directional, so that you can use those as your centers. Another option it gives you is to use this print right in here, and I'll pull it out so you can see it. Has kind of these already made up blocks that you can fussy cut out and use those as the center block in this quilt as well. So it kind of gives you a couple different options, which is really cool. But this line is super adorable. I love that it comes with so many different blenders. So yeah, definitely a good kids line to check out. Okay, and last but not least, we've got this beautiful sort of wildlife fabric here. We got in the fabric line that has all of these wonderful majestic creatures on it. We've got the moose and the deer. In addition to the fabric here, we also have the kit. So this kit uses some panels that come with the line. So you can see this is kind of a bigger display of what the quilt looks like, but I'll give you an actual look here. So this is the whole thing. It's about 44 by 54, so a good throw size. It all comes in this really neat box, so you can keep everything together while you're putting it together, which is always super handy. And they're a great price point too. So if you have anybody that you need to, throw a quilt together for, this would be a fantastic option. Okay, that was a fun little walkthrough today. We've seen lots of wonderful fabrics. Let us know in the comments below which one was your favorite and what you would do with it. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next week.